Conversion of whole numbers in base 10 to base 2. Let's learn how to convert 21 base 10 to base 2. Solution. To convert 21 base 10 to base 2, we have to divide repeatedly by 2 until division is no longer possible. And to do that, we draw a table like this. We place the number given, 21, here. We place the base we are converting it to, 2, here. And we'll start dividing. 2 goes in 21, we have 10. Remainder 1. Divide again by 2. 2 goes in 10, we have 5. Remainder 0. 2. Again. 2 goes in 5, we have 2. Remainder 1. 2 again. 2 goes in 2, we have 1. Remainder 0. Then here, 2 goes in 1. You can't send 2 in 1, so that's 0. Remainder 1. Then you take all the remainders from the last remainder to the first one. So we have 21 base 10 will be equal to, from the last remainder, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 base 2. And that's how to convert 21 base 10 to a number in base 2. Thank you.